Revenge is a concept twisted by human nature, misunderstood, and misapplied. Most believe revenge is an eye for an eye, a battle of destruction, a momentary victory. But true revenge, the kind that endures, that outlasts, is not in retaliation. It is in your evolution. To rise above the noise, to become unshakable, to mold yourself into something they never saw coming. That is revenge. In its purest form, it is not chaos, it is creation. To forge yourself in the fires of adversity, that is the most powerful response to those who wish to break you. You are not fragile. You are not meant to be erased. The world may try to wound you, betray you, or insult you. But each setback, each insult, each injury becomes fuel for your transformation. Every failure, every loss, every obstacle shapes you, molds you into a being they cannot destroy. And this is where your power lies. You do not need to dwell on the actions of those who wish to see you fall. No. They will try to define you by your past, to limit your potential with their words, their judgments, their schemes. But self-improvement, it is a rejection of their expectations. It is a rebellion against their limitations. It is a rebellion against their limitations. It is not a battle fought with them. It is a battle fought with yourself. Every victory over your doubts, every overcoming of your flaws becomes a monument to your will, a monument they cannot steal from you. True power does not lie in their downfall, no, it lies in your rise. To obsess over your enemies, to focus your energy on their failures, is to waste your time. Instead, turn inward, sharpen your mind, strengthen your body, refine your spirit. That is where your power lies. But where the real fight is won, and when they see you again, they will not recognize you. And that will be your triumph. The world will try to put you in a box, to limit your vision, to define you by the things you've done. It will push you into categories: safety, comfort, mediocrity. But self-improvement, it is the act of shattering these illusions. It is carving a path that only you can walk. Transcendence. 17th impression. It is carving a path that only you can walk. It is stepping into the unknown, leaving behind the chains of comfort, and embracing the growth that discomfort demands. Each day you dedicate yourself to becoming stronger, smarter, better. You win. You are winning against the limitations others place upon you, against the voice that tells you to stay small, to stay comfortable. But comfort is a prison, a false sanctuary. It keeps you stagnant, it keeps you small. To break free from it is to embrace the chaos, to live in the storm of transformation, to reach for something greater, something only you can define. The greatest revenge is not in proving others wrong. No, it is in proving to yourself that you are capable of far more than they ever imagined. Your potential is not dictated by their expectations. It is determined by your vision. Let their doubt fuel your ambition. Let their limitations become the foundation upon which you build your rise. You are not bound by their perception. You are not bound by the past they try to assign to you. The path to greatness is carved by those who choose to embrace the unknown, who dare to risk everything in pursuit of their dreams. It is not about avoiding failure. It is about using failure as the crucible where resilience is born. Every stumble, every fall, is not a defeat, but an opportunity to become stronger, sharper, better. There will be times when it seems like the world is against you. You will face adversity, struggle, pain. But adversity is not your enemy. It is your ally. It strips away the superficial, the unnecessary, and forces you to confront your true self. Those who are unwilling to face adversity, they are left behind. But those who meet it with determination, they are the ones who rise. They evolve. They become something unstoppable. The real game is not about defeating others. It is about defeating the limitations you place upon yourself, the doubts, the fears, the self-imposed barriers that hold you back. You are the one who decides how far you will go. It is easy to cling to comfort, to take the safe path, to follow the rules. But safety does not breed greatness, no. Greatness is born from the willingness to take risks, to venture into the unknown, to face the storm head-on. Every moment you hesitate, every time you choose comfort over courage, you lose a piece of yourself. But every time you rise, every time you push forward despite the fear, you become unbreakable. When you focus on building yourself, your character, your skills, your resilience, you build something no one can take from you. Status can be taken away, opinions can change, but your character, your abilities, your will to improve, those are unshakable. Self-improvement is not about pleasing others. It is about pleasing yourself. Becoming the person you always knew you were capable of being. It is not about perfection. It is about growth. Every step forward, every action you take to better yourself is an act of rebellion against those who wish to see you fail. You are not defined by your past. You are defined by your choices. Every decision you make today shapes the person you become tomorrow. The world may try to distract you, to pull you into its chaos, but the true battle is fought within. It is fought in silence, in the quiet moments, when you decide to push forward, to build, to grow. The greatest revenge is not in proving others wrong. It is in building yourself up to a point where their actions no longer matter. It is in creating a version of yourself that cannot be shaken, that cannot be destroyed by the words or actions of others. It is in mastering yourself, in becoming the person you were always meant to be. This is the true meaning of revenge. A revenge that is powerful, lasting, and unbreakable. So, rise. Step into your greatness. The journey is long, but the rewards are worth it. The world may try to limit you, but only you have the power to break free. Every step you take towards improvement, every effort you make to better yourself, is an act of rebellion against the mediocrity the world wants to impose. You are unstoppable. You are unbreakable. You are the master of your destiny. And in that mastery lies your greatest triumph.